Gentlemen, can I take your order, please?
I'll have the tandoori pomfret.
Hello.
That's 3,000 freaking bucks, dude.
Don't worry, bro. I have a hack to never run out of money. So I spend 10 lakhs a year. So as per research, if I have saved 25 times this amount, I will never run out of money.
That's 2.5 crores. How are you able to save so much money when FD rates are only 5%?
I invest in a combination of equity, debt and gold mutual funds and get around 16% returns. I invested in the top ranked mutual fund every year and got some shot at 7% returns. No, bro, just looking at returns and investing is not enough. You first need to build a kick-ass portfolio of equity, debt and gold and then smartly move your money among these three to reduce your risk. Bro, I am one goddamn mechanical engineer, dude. You think I can do all of this? Why don't you just check out ET Money Genius, bro? They first understand your risk tolerance and suggest optimal mutual fund portfolios for you. They then send you monthly alerts of changes you need to make in your portfolio, all with a single tap. How to get started? The link is in the pinned comment below.